Hey guys, Nightshade here, back out at Velocity to round out the first half of this crazy year. I hope this shorter and faster paced video will show you guys something of the speed and excitement of last weekend's gameplay. Unfortunately, I found out that I'll need to be taking another indefinite hiatus from Airsoft due to some new work safety rules, so I'll be back to online gaming and laying low for a bit. Hope to be back out on the field with you guys soon, and please enjoy the vid.
Oh my god, there's so many of them. Shield? Where's Shield? Okay, next! Get back! You guys are good, you guys are good.
Ow. That fucking hurt. I'm hit. I'm hit.
Dead man coming out! Dead man coming out! Don't shoot! Hey, if you're decking out! Coming out! Don't shoot!
Thank you. Ow, my hand. Motherfucker. Mikey, watch right. Watch right. They're moving right through the tree line. Watch right of the riot shield. Moving. Mikey, is the riot shield out? Alright. What's your left down there?
I'm gonna leave the area. I'm gonna go over to the entrance over there by the tree and try to go for the flank.
Yeah, no worries. I'm gonna stay here for right now.
Alright.
You got?
I think there's still one right behind that stand of trees straight ahead of us.
Yeah, I think so.
Like right back there.
I saw him duck down, but he hasn't resurfaced from back there.
Well, I got two of them over there, but I'm pretty sure there's at least one more. See, there's a guy right down through here. See him moving?
Hit!
What do you see?
I see people moving left to right.
Someone give me current fire. I'm gonna advance to that blockade right there.
All right.
Advance over there. Someone give me current fire. Move!
Nice.
Game's over.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Good game.
That was a good one, bro.
Yeah, good
I
game,
heard
man.
you
Good
running.
game.
I was like, fuck, which side am I going through?
Good job, man. Good job.
Good game.
Oh, yeah.
My man. There's a guy peeking in this corner. Wait.
Is he still peeking?
There's a guy right at the corner. Got him. I got him.
Got him? Good.
No.
Alright, go.
Alright, thanks for watching guys. For now, this is Nightshade. Out.
Dude, he's so light. Holy shit.
Knife him! You didn't call it. Knife him again! Good kill! He knifed him!
Solid.
He knifed
That
him!
was badass. That was a good knife. Good knife kill.
I got it all on camera
That was a
too.
nice kill.